Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of Threads. We go to settings. Here on this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here, you will go to this application of Threads and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.